Yo guys, I am Beans and today I am at Alton Towers for Scarefest. My favourite time to come to Alton Towers. I need to tell you something. So, there's this new character joining Scarefest. It's a pussycat. Meow, meow. Look, if you turn around this way. Okay, so now I am going to go to the Amigos and I'll tell you more about it after I've been on it, and I'm so excited. I've watched a few videos about it. It is so cool. So let's go. Oh, and I forgot to mention, they're always dressed up for any kind of season, like any kind of festivals. So let's go. Yes! We were supposed to go to the Amigos first, but I decided we should go to Hex because it's been gone for so long. So after that, I'll take you to the Amigos. So let's quickly go on because it's raining outside. I went on Hex. It was so fun. It was like a swing, and it made me feel delusional. It was so fun. That's the best part of it. And there was lots more rooms than there were last time. That's why it must have been closed for a very long time. Now I'm going on Amigos, and I'm very excited to see all the different attractions and what they have planned. And I watch these videos. They tell it that there's different kinds of undead people. Some are mean, some are very kind, and yeah. So let's go and have some fun. I hope you put your dance shoes on. Amigo! The Amigos is a family maze. It is fun but not scary. You meet musicians, wrestlers, and everyone's like boo, and everyone's like this for me, because I wrestled too. They start crying. Right, that's not important now. It's an adventure of what we do at the Day of the Dead. I think it's great. And then we went trick-or-treating, and just as normal, fabulous. I think we got more sweets than we did last time. Now it's time for me to show you. Zoom! Zoom! And I'm so happy. Now I hope we're going to David Williams. But first I have to go and ask my parents. So let's go. So I just finished in David Williams. It was so fun. Yeah. And since you see the sky is dark, so that only means one thing. Comments down below. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's time for dark rides! So, come on everybody. Let's have some fun. Oh wait, I need to tell you what ride we're doing first. Wickerman. And my grand's going on this ride. So, let's go. So, I just finished on Wickerman in the dark. It's even better than in the daylight. It's probably my favourite ride at Alton Towers. Comment down below which is your favourite dark ride here. So now we're heading our way down to Nemesis and Galactica. But first, we're going to stop at Casual Manor. Also, my second favourite. Yeah. So, let's keep rolling and let's go.
Portions. All known occupants of the house perish. That is, aside from the owner's only child, Emily.
And we're recording.
Sorry guys, I just went on Coastal Manor and this tunnel thing wasn't rolling like it used to. And anyway, we just went past a new scare maze in Alton Towers. You can go and check out those scare mazes. But for now, we're heading down to Nemesis, Galactica and Bay. And Subterra. Never forget Subterra.
Yeah.
It's a great attraction to the park. Lots of people like coming to this park. So, I guess time to go more back. So let's rock and roll. That means let's go.
This facility is active and safe access is now guaranteed for scientific personnel and civilian visitors.
So, we went to the Nemesis and Galactica area and Nemesis was closed when we got there, but when we were in the line of Galactica, it started to reopen, and yeah, it opened. And now it's time to tell you guys about Galactica. You start like this, and then swing back, so it's like you're flying, and then you go on a roller coaster. It is very fun. And Nemesis, it's a beautiful painting on the track, if you see so. It is so nice. It's very fast in the dark. I prefer it in the dark because it sets the mood a little bit. Yeah, so now it's time for us to go to bed. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed our day here at Scarefest at Alton Towers, and I hope you to learn about Scarefest, the best place to come at Alton Towers, and the right timing. So let's go to the main entrance. We finished, but before we did, we went on a cheeky Wickerman. It was so fun. And don't worry, there's only part 1, because tomorrow we're doing a part 2. of Scarefest. So I guess it's time for me